What's up, everybody? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 2 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it is Friday, January 8th. Let me go ahead and refresh this bad boy so you know it's not a screenshot. 6:52 in beautiful Dallas, Texas. And yeah, guys, first things first, before we dive in, I just want to thank you guys so much for subscribing and actually putting comments and supporting me, man. I can't thank y'all enough. Shout out to my boy Kev. Shout out to Brian, Carlos, Mike. I salute every single one of y'all, man. Thank you so much. And if you guys have a channel too, let me know down in the comments so I can support you guys, subscribe, and shout you out. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're all in this together, man. And I just can't wait to get this thing really rolling. You know what I'm saying? So again, thank you guys so much, and good luck to all you guys on this journey. I have 3 updates for you. Number 1, spreadsheet. I created a Chris Sain home run spreadsheet to where we're gonna like outline all the different stocks, the date that I bought them, and the market value of each one. And then also created a tab for options. So starting next week, I'm gonna start doing his option plays, and I also have a tab for buyer alerts. So all the ones that he has that are home runs that he feels are gonna be home runs, I have a tab for that as well. So anytime you guys still have a chance to check out his channel and check out what he says to buy. I know you guys are super busy with either you got kids or you got school, whatever the case may be, you got work. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here, and then also I'll have a buy zone as well. So that way, if you missed out on it, you can get it on the dip, and then you buy it then. So you can just check that out. And then also a weekly market value tab. Again, when we saw it the first time, my portfolio was kind of murky because I had different stocks in there before this whole entire thing. Hence the reason why Chris Sain actually wanted to create a different Robinhood account. Robinhood wouldn't let him, you know what I'm saying? But I understand, because you need a different bank, you don't mess with banks. But no worries. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna track each and every time that, well, I guess every weekend I'm gonna be tracking my market value, so you can see it increase or decrease, whatever the case may be. And then update number 2, I'm going to show you how to enable your options. So I know a lot of times you guys don't know how to, even including me, I didn't know this until like a few weeks ago, how to enable options on your Robinhood account. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then also the third update is the championship belt. So Chris Sain is giving away a championship belt, a WWE championship belt for different tiers. I think it's 25,000, 50,000, and 100,000. He has like different belts for every tier. So if you're curious about that, check out his last video that he did, I think in the past 2 hours ago. As always, you know, it's Chris Sain, so it's a really good content. He just gives you a weekly update where he was at, and he's gonna actually reveal I think 4 home runs like Fuel Cell and Clean Spark, similar ones like that, on Saturday. So you're probably watching this on Saturday, obviously. So just make sure you be on the lookout for Chris Sain's video when he drops it. If you're seeing this before his video, make sure, hey, today, check it out before Monday. You don't want to miss that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in to my account, see where we're at. So yeah, we're at 59.27.44. But again, this includes different stocks. Like this one, this is a free stock that I got from signing up, and then Apple, then GE, another free stock that I got. So hence the reason why I have this spreadsheet. So here we go. We have Carnival, Fuel Cell, Neo. I'll give you the stock, the symbol, the share amount that I have. If they're blank, that means I haven't obviously purchased it yet. Purchase price, total market value, and the date that I purchased it. And the thing is too, most of these stocks I purchased based on what Chris Sain said during that time, so in December, but it wasn't during the challenge. So I don't know if this is gonna count toward like his whole WWE belt thing, but I put it on here nonetheless. It's the reason why you see this. So I purchased Carnival December 11th, and this is the value that it's at, and the price, purchase price, and like the amount of shares that I bought it at. And then I also bought it recently on the 7th, 856, 2164, and 40 shares. So that's why I kind of separated it out this way, but you don't have to do it this way if you don't want to. It's all good. But yeah, this is how I laid everything out. Apple, Airbnb down here below. These are my long-term plays. That's the reason why they're kind of segmented out away from everybody else. Then Workhorse is down here too, chilling. But I bought that December 14th. So again, I don't know if that counts or not. It wasn't the first, it wasn't after the first, so I don't know. So that's the stocks tab. Then we have the options. I just laid it out this way. Again, I'm gonna start doing this next week. Giving the stock, the symbol, the amount of contracts, purchase price, the submission date, the expiration date, and the profit value of that option. And then the home run buy alert. So the stock, the symbol, the date that it's announced, the purchase price, and then the buy zone. This way you guys can kind of see where I buy something, or if I don't buy it, at least you know, hey, if it goes over that buy zone, I need to wait for it to dip, and then you buy it, right? So I'll be filling this up every week, and then of course weekly gains. So this is my total value right now of the stocks that are after the first, which is Carnival and Fuel Cell Energy. So with everything though that's in his portfolio, it'd be like $3,600. So again, like I don't know if it counts or not, but I'll let Chris decide on the back end whatever he wants to do. But so yeah, got that out of the way, and then now I'm going to show you how to enable your options. So pull up my phone. All right. So guys, what you want to do is, I should have just put this on the screen, but it's all good. You go down to the bottom right corner where your avatar is. You're gonna click that, and once you do that, you're gonna click on investing. You're gonna see this. Then once you do that, just scroll down, and then it'll see options trading. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but mine's already enabled. But you're gonna see where it's gonna ask you to enable it, and you just go ahead and do that. So again, go to your account, your profile avatar, go to investing, scroll down, and then enable option trading, and then that's how you do it. Because I know a lot of people are kind of like wondering, like, how the hell is Chris Sain trading and doing options? But that's how you go about doing it. Yeah, you just go to your profile, investing, enable option trading, and you should be good to go. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. Again, we're at 160.39. The whole entire portfolio is at 5,900. We started at 5,300. So pretty good growth. But again, I don't know which one he's going to accept and which ones he's not. But we'll just have to wait and see. So hope you liked the video, guys. There will be a link down below for the spreadsheet if you want to check it out. If you don't want to, actually, matter of fact, if I get 20 people down below that say spreadsheet, I will actually put a link down on Monday, or hell, even on Sunday, to grab this thing. If I don't see spreadsheet, that means people don't give a damn about this thing. So there's no point in me wasting the effort of putting a link down to this spreadsheet if y'all are not going to use it. So if I get spreadsheet, the word spreadsheet down, comment below. I will actually put a link to the spreadsheet down there so you guys can play around with it and put in your own stuff as you go along on this journey. That way you can track your own progress. If not, it's all good. There's a link down below for Robinhood to check out some free stock if you don't have a Robinhood account already. Start your journey. But yeah, if you like the video, give your boy a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Salute.